Do you want to know how to grow your online business without ever having to talk to anybody? Well, I'm going to show you how to build a rejection-free online business. So let's get into it. Now, one of the things I want to bring to your attention is using a webinar to get signups into your business. I'm not talking about you doing the webinar yourself, but I'm talking about becoming a master at inviting people to an online webinar instead. This is one of those things I never knew about until I became a part of this community. I know what it's like to do everything in your power to make a business work. The hours you spend watching YouTube videos and asking questions in Facebook groups. This is very time consuming. And when you finally attempt to implement everything that you learn, you run into a new issue that was not even covered in the video. So now you have to go back and look for more videos that cover that new issue. This can be exhausting. You see, it's one thing for someone to say, oh yeah, just send out an email. But it's a whole nother level when you are actually shown what the email should look like, what the subject should say, and how to word the body of the email to get them to convert into a sale. That's what you get when you're part of this community. We also give you a schedule to follow for sending out the emails, all the way up to an hour before the webinar starts. Each email is already pre-written for you, and it tells your visitors what they can expect to learn during the webinar. And then the next day, we send out an email for the replay of the webinar in case they missed it. So you're never going to be lost about what to do or what to say. All right. So if I had this type of leadership when I first got started with online marketing, I would probably be a millionaire by now. No joke. Because this community does an excellent job at filling in those blank spots that may be missing with whatever you got going on. So go ahead and click the link below this video and let us show you how to become a master inviter to whatever you want people to see. And if you think this will be of value to you, then grab one of the blueprints and I'll send over an invite to the community right away. All right. I hope this video has been informative for you. Subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.